What's going on, guys? Gigi here is back again. Now we're gonna talking about my last video. I said I'm quitting. I mean this is my last video. Now I'm so bored. I'm quitting in the game, not in the life. That's what I said. And today we're gonna make a vlog. So let's get started. So guys, I'm back. It's cities on flight. So I'll be right back. It's getting dark here. We're back. Oh my gosh. And I'm back, guys. So the problem. So today we're gonna be doing a fidget spinner challenge. We're gonna try fidget spinner versus random stuff. So we're gonna try it. So guys, first thing to do, fidget spinner versus toilet paper. Yeah.
First day,
Got it.
you and me is thrifty, so all you can eat, fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how Emily's doing okay.
It fell off.
Get in the taxi,
That's
kiss in the
right.
backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. Singing like, girl,
Let's spin it
I
again.
want your
Oh.
love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me.
There you go.
Come on now, follow my lead.
And careful
Maybe
to
crazy, don't mind me.
careful to
Let's not talk too much.
drop it.
Grab on my waist and put that body
Oh,
on me. Come on now, follow my
toilet
lead.
paper
Come on now,
win.
follow my lead.
And fidget spinner
In
win.
love with the shape of you.
Wow,
Pull like a magnet.
it's never
My heart is
grown like this.
I'm in love with your body.
This
Last night you
toilet paper stop fidget spinner. Alright, that's cool. So next up is a fidget spinner versus apple bottle. Let's get started. Let's go. That. Oh, be careful to drop it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. Let's see. Guys, let's check if there any crash. I don't think there is. So I think let's check the fidget spinner next. I don't think there are any damage. Ha! So guys, it's a tie. No one hurt of these two fidgets. I mean, alcohol. So next up is fidget spinner versus marker. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's put it now. And I try to cover it well right here. Okay, let's spin it again. And just cover it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Guys, I think the fidget spinner win. Look at this. Oh, where is it? Oh, right there. Can you see this one? This one? This one? Right. guys, the fidget spinner really rare. So guys, I found this thing. So I think it's plastic and like a box. So let's try this. So let's spin it this thing and let's cover it and go 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 go. Oh my god, gosh guys, look at this. Look at that. Just for a fidget spinner. Wow. Well, hoy, umalis na! Hindi na ako nagagawa. Alis siya. Kaya kayo lalabas dito. Pinatay ko na kaya yan. Abay? Oo. Kala ko'y patay. Pinatay ko pa yan.
Patay yun!
Doon ka na nga! So guys, the final round. Fidget spinner versus my team. Let's try it out. Ow. Ow. That hurt. Ow, ow. Ow. Okay. I think fidget spinner beat me. Guys, fidget spinner is the winner. So guys, that's all. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. So see you guys next time.